The future of work is here. Unleash the power of mobile. Imagine a world where your office is not confined to four walls, but extends to wherever you are. Whether you're in a park, a coffee shop, or an airport lounge, the power of mobile technology allows you to stay connected and productive. Do you want to unlock the full potential of your workforce? Mobile technology is the key. It enables seamless collaboration and communication, no matter where your team members are located. In today's rapidly changing world, businesses must embrace flexibility and agility. The ability to adapt quickly to new challenges and opportunities is crucial for success. Mobile technology provides the tools needed to stay ahead of the curve. One key to achieving this is mastering mobile workforce management. This involves not only providing the right tools, but also fostering a culture that supports remote work and flexibility. This is no longer a trend on the horizon, it's a reality reshaping industries worldwide. Companies that embrace mobile technology are seeing significant benefits, from cost savings to increased employee satisfaction. By understanding the dynamics of a mobile workforce, you can tap into a wellspring of benefits, from increased productivity to happier employees. Mobile technology allows for greater flexibility, which can lead to a better work life balance and higher job satisfaction. Let's dive in and discover how you can harness the power of mobile. Together, we will explore strategies and tools that can help you make the most of this transformative technology. The future of work is mobile, and the future is now. Defining the mobile workforce. It's more than just working remotely. So, what exactly is a mobile workforce? Picture this: employees seamlessly connecting and collaborating from anywhere in the world. It's about breaking free from the traditional confines of the office. This means empowering your team with the technology and autonomy to work effectively outside the traditional office setting. We're talking laptops, tablets, smartphones, the tools that keep everyone connected and productive on the go. Effectively managing your mobile team, tools and strategies for success. Managing a mobile workforce presents unique opportunities and challenges. Clear communication is paramount. Utilize project management tools like Asana or Trello. These platforms keep everyone on the same page, regardless of location. Regular check ins, whether through video calls or instant messaging, help maintain team cohesion and address any concerns promptly. Remember, trust is key. Empower your mobile workforce with autonomy and flexibility. Section 4: Real world examples. See mobile workforce management in action. Let's bring this to life with some real world examples. Imagine a sales team armed with tablets instantly accessing customer data and presentations during client visits. They can pull up the latest sales figures, product information, and even tailor their pitch based on real time data. This not only impresses the client but also significantly increases the chances of closing the deal. Or consider field service technicians equipped with mobile devices receiving real time updates and troubleshooting guides on the go. They can diagnose issues faster, order parts immediately, and even consult with experts remotely, ensuring that the job is done right the first time. By embracing mobile technology and strategies, these companies empower their employees to be more efficient and responsive, leading to happier customers and a stronger bottom line. The ability to access information anytime, anywhere, transforms the way businesses operate, making them more agile and competitive in today's fast paced market. Section 5: Embrace the future. Equip yourself for mobile workforce success. In today's fast paced and ever evolving business landscape, the ability to adapt and embrace new ways of working is crucial. The mobile workforce is here to stay and it offers numerous benefits that can transform the way your organization operates. Its impact will only continue to grow, influencing various aspects of business growth and development. By understanding the dynamics of managing a remote team, you can create a more flexible and efficient work environment. Implementing the right tools and strategies is essential for optimizing productivity and ensuring seamless communication among team members. This not only leads to increased employee satisfaction, but also fosters a culture of trust and collaboration. You can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity, employee satisfaction, and business growth by leveraging mobile solutions. So, are you ready to lead your organization into the future of work? Embrace the power of mobile technology and remote work. Watch your business thrive as you integrate these innovative solutions, paving the way for a more dynamic and successful future.